Welcome to my new workshop. It didn't exist a week ago. We put it up during the week, and well, it was exactly a week yesterday that it arrived on a pallet. I'll put a couple of pictures on to show. And the first review I'm going to do is on a nail gun, which arrived very fast, 4 days from ordering from Banggood. Believe it came from the UK warehouse, and that's how it arrived. There's no extra packaging in the box. The gun was just loose in there, so it's ever so well built, strong. One of the first things I do with most of these things that arrive is cut the Chinese plug off and put a 13 amp UK plug on. They do send an adapter so that you can use it, but I just prefer putting the plug on.
A few nails
in the box with the nail gun.
Some nails there.
A toolkit.
A screwdriver. The Allen keys
there.
And
a couple of Allen
this
keys.
Is a spare hammer.
Bit sparse.
Goes inside, which actually pushes
there.
So should the one in there get warm, you've got a replacement.
The Allen keys.
And on the whole, I found it
is
really useful. It's got a few marks on it already, because when it arrived,
should the one in there get worn,
we used it for some of the
on the whole
bits on the shed. For instance, putting the beading around the windows and some
marks on it already.
Covers out on the outside.
When it arrived,
so and it worked great.
Used it.
Didn't
for some of the,
jam up once, which is a problem I've had,
for instance,
with some nail guns in the past.
Covers out on the outside. So
let's just get it plugged in.
Great. Didn't jam up once.
The instructions
problem I've had
here
with some nail guns in the past.
There's the instruction book. However, it's all in Chinese. There is no English at all.
The instruction
in there. The only bit that you can really use,
however,
in here somewhere,
it's all in Chinese.
Are the nail
no English
sizes
at all.
But basically,
the only bit that you
it's
can
18 gauge nails
use,
which are
in here somewhere,
easily available
and sizes.
Not expensive.
But basically,
then there's really not much to it.
It's 18 gauge
nails. Your nails,
which are
you drop them in, available what size they are, into the relevant groove, like so.
And
then once they're in, push this until this locks.
There's your nails.
Like so. Turn it on. Just there.
Size they are into the
a couple of scrap pieces of wood.
So
earlier.
And then once they're in, push this until this locks.
And there you go.
So turn it on. Just there. There's a couple of scrap pieces of wood. Well, this is earlier.
Works great. It'll take up to 30mm nail, so what's that? 1.25 inch thereabouts. Brads, and it'll also do staples.
Great. It'll take up to 30mm
fire
nail, so what's that? 1.25 inch
up to 45 nails
or brads
per minute,
and it'll also do
which
staples.
Is pretty quick. A lot of the ones that I've looked at, I only get to about 30, so this is
up to 45
pretty good going. It's 2000 watts,
which is pretty quick. A lot of the ones
been really good, as I say.
I only get to about 30, so this is pretty good going.
There's the little toolkit.
2000 watts.
Chinese instructions, which aren't a lot of good unless you can speak Chinese.
Good, as I say.
As far as the nails go, I've bought I can get them down.
Little toolkit. Chinese instructions,
These
which aren't a lot of
tack-wise
to speak Chinese.
from
As far as the nails go,
Tool Station,
I bought
and also they're available on Amazon, eBay, etc.
tack-wise.
So these, there's 5,000 20mm nails in there.
Tool Station.
There's 1,000
They're
galvanised,
available on Amazon, eBay.
1" or 25mm in this one. And
There's
oh,
5,000
30mm is 1
nails in
3/16. So
There's
just under
1,000 galvanised, 1" or 25mm in this one, and 30mm is 1 3/16. So just under 1¼ inch. And yeah, it's already been very, very useful. So if you're looking for a good quality nail gun, this is one to get. I'll leave a link down in the description for the gun. I'll also leave a link for some of the nails. If you've got any questions, leave a comment, or leave a comment anyway, and please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot, and I've got a lot more coming soon. In fact, the next tool has already just arrived, and this again took 4 or 5 days to get here. So again, from Banggood, and I'll be opening this in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.